What's up, guys? You already know it. We got the Lego Star Wars the Skywalker saga. It just came in the mail today. And guess what else we got with it? Han Solo the Steelbook. This is a Best Buy exclusive. If you pre-order from Best Buy, you get this. It's the Han Solo Steelbook. Show it off real quick. Skywalker saga, obviously. Then we got Lego Star Wars the Skywalker saga Deluxe Edition. I ordered it from Best Buy. It's a PlayStation 5 edition. It takes up to 45 gigabytes. It's it's 1 to 2 player games. And it's deluxe edition. We got Blue Milk Luke Skywalker, and we got all 9 films in one game. I cannot wait to play this. I might be doing some game videos on this, but yeah, for now we're gonna unbox this. Yeah, let's see if I can do this one-handed. I'm holding a camera. Okay, I got it. Here we go. And it's kind of one-handed camera. It's hard. I'm gonna put this down for a second. I got it. All right, here we go. We got the game. Oh, whoa. That's cool. All right. So we got Darth Vader. So, thing. Open it now. That's the first we got. I got the game. Lego Star Wars the Skywalker saga. Games inside here. That's the character packs. And next we got we got Blue Milk Luke Skywalker too. Bro, this is awesome. Honestly, it's exclusive for the deluxe edition. If you get the deluxe edition, you'll get Luke Skywalker. And yeah, this is the game. I cannot wait to play it. Star Wars Skywalker saga. These are character bundles for the PlayStation 5. You can put in the codes, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.